Ever wondered what would happen if you fell into a volcano? Let's find out. Hollywood makes it look like you'd instantly sink into lava, but that's not true. Lava is so thick and dense, you'd actually stay on the surface, like landing on super hot solid mud. The lava is around 1,200 degrees Celsius, 2,200 degrees Fahrenheit. You'd catch fire and die from heat shock almost immediately. And you'd burn, not sink. It's a horrible, instant end. No slow melting like in movies. So, don't get too close to the edge of a volcano. Want more crazy science? Subscribe. Comment. Would you ever visit a volcano?